When performed well, the jump rope is one of the most effective exercises. The problem for newbie jumpers is learning the basics. When I started using the jump rope 10 or so years ago, like most, I struggled. However, I was able to quickly improve my performance by focusing on and maintaining proper form. Jump rope form is hands down the most important aspect for new jumpers to learn. It will help you learn to jump rope faster and allow you to perform at higher levels. This video will show you how. Let's do this. Here are the 7 most important characteristics of proper jump rope form. Practice these intently and look for areas of weakness. You want to ingrain these good habits into your muscle memory until you don't even have to think about them, you just do them. You can download a still frame of this screen on my blog post, which is linked below. If you have too much rope passing overhead and hitting the ground, then check out my jump rope sizing video, which is linked above. Make sure to keep your elbows pointing behind you. If you need to raise your hands, just bend your arms but stay in the same position. This keeps the emphasis of rope rotation on the wrists. Don't flare your arms out away from your body. Make sure to keep your jumps low. This helps develop better rhythm so you can avoid the dreaded double hop. It also allows you to increase rope speed for more effective workouts.